Good. So now, what is intercom? What does intercom do? What is intercom? Let us see what an intercom is, or what intercom is. So you see where they say, what does intercom do? You can open here. See that they say that what, that intercom is a system of what electric device or what that enables two-way communication between people. This one is the telephone what? The telephone definition of what? Intercom. Let me put intercom CRM here. Intercom CRM. Let's see. So you see it now that this is now the what? Intercom CRM. You say intercom CRM is a what? It's a customer communication what? Platform that can what? Be used for CRM. We all know what CRM means, right? CRM is what? Customer relationship what? Management. Okay? But it is not a traditional what? CRM in the way, the same way as Salesforce or HubSpot. Yes. That is why Ekwe said that what now, that she will teach us the simpler ones before she will now go to the what, to the more advanced ones. Unlike the previous course where she taught the you know from the previous course, that she taught HubSpot first before the other ones, and it actually created a lot of confusion for the people. So that's why she now started from from the basic ones. Okay. So today now we'll understand what a CRM, like, what intercom does. Okay. So look at what you can actually do with what, with your intercom. You say what? It says you can do what now? You can what? You can do customer communication. You can do what? Data utility. You can what? Integrate other things into what? Into your intercom CRM what? Suite. Okay. So now intercom does what now? It manages what? Customer interaction through various channels, like what? Like live chats. We are going to install live chat tonight. Okay. Even you still have email here, and you can still have what? In-app what? Messaging. This one is for people that have mobile apps. Okay. So he says that what now, that the CRM capabilities are what now? Are more focused on what? On customer communication and support, rather than other broader scope of a full-fledged CRM. So leave all this grammar now. Let us go and what? Start work. So to start work, I will go to my what? Go to my intercom.com. I go still share the link give you, so don't be in a what? Don't be in a haste. Work with me, alright? Yes, this is intercom website now. Good. Now that we are here now, we can now begin. So normally, you see where they say start free trial here, you will go here. Okay. The moment you are there now, this place where they are saying work email, please always keep this part where they say work email. Don't give, in fact, because you don't have work email. Work email, let me show you my work email so you can see my own work email, so you don't know, like, I mean, as some of you cannot get it yet. It's not something you can just get easily. Like, let me show you what work email is so you can see what a work email is. Work email is your email or your name at your domain name.com. Let me show you what my own here is. So your Gmail is what now? It's a public email. Look at what, see what a work email look like here. Can you see it here? This is what a work email look like. Let me show you guys so you can see it properly. Okay, let me even use my notepad. Now, let me do everything here, delete. Now look at what a work email will look like if you are to get it. Okay, this is it here. You can see how the thing looks like, Abby. This is a work email. Let me make it bolder. Some of you are using eyeglass. Let me make it bolder. You see now, this .com here is a what? Is a domain. Then this one is what now? Is your own personal what? Email. Okay. So like Equina that has a digital witch .com, she can use what? She can have what? Equitos at what? Digital witch .com, because this .com, already means what? Your company. So this one is a what now? It's a full-fledged what? Work email. If you send me an email here, I will read it. And I configure this myself. Okay? So that's just what a work email will look like. Now let us now go and do what? Let us now go and do other stuff here. So here now, you don't need to put anything here saying work email, because you don't have it. So don't go and start formulating something that you don't know, because at the end of the day now, you cannot work with it. What do? You see where they say continue with Google here? Click on it. Okay? Now, if your account that you want to use is already in your what? Browser, do what? Select it from what? From this list. So I'll click on this one now. And you can see that it's now saying what? It says continue, right? You can continue with it now because we are okay with that selection. Now it says, what would you like to what would you like to what? To trial? For me, I want to try what? It say Fin AI on your existing platform. No. It say Intercom Suite, Fin AI and our powerful help desk combined. You see this second one here? Click it. Okay. Now you cannot click on what again now? Continue. Now it says, what is your name? Or you say, what's your company name, right? I'll do what? I'll say what? Say Otawa what? Technologies. Let me just put technologies today. I don't want to use my limited. Okay, Ottawa what? Technologies. What about here? Click on what? This one now is my company name. Please, if your name is Basirat and Co and Sons, put it there. If your name is Cynthia and Suya Limited, put am. If na Madam Okpa, if na Madam Okpa Nigeria Limited, put am there. Just put anything there and then you'll be good. Okay, they will not check it. Right? Don't come and start asking me, Michael, I don't have company email. Should I formulate? Formulate and put there. Okay. What is next now? You can now put what? Continue. Right? Good. Now, just like the other tools, now they will ask you what? How many people are working in your company? For me now, I will say what? I will say 6 to 15. Then I will do what? Start free trial. Okay. Now you are likely to what? To do in Yanga. Say this. All these tools now. They are like fine girls. So anytime you talk to them, they will shake their waist, and then they will do shakara. That is what they are known for, right? Good. Now you can now see that we now have what? This is our what they say. Welcome to your what? 14-day free trial. In it. Good. So now they will still ask us some questions and say, okay, what matters to you the most? Is it a lead generation or blah blah? Me, I say what? I need everything here. I'll just click on what? Skip. Say, do you already have customer support too? Just say no or just skip. Click on what? Skip here. You say, which support channel do you prefer? Me, I like live chat. I like any of them here. So I like all of them. Okay, so you see now, I'll do what? Click on what? Skip. So how many customer conversations do you expect per month? Just select anyone here. I will say this one here. They will do what now? Click on continue. Say, okay, do you manage your support team? You can say yes, because of course you are the boss, right? Now, when will you start using Intercom with customers? You can say 1 to 3 months or 3 to 6 months, right? Let me say 1 to 3 months, right? Then click on what? Continue. At this point now, we have fulfilled all righteousness, so we can now start enjoying our what? Our suites. Okay? Now, remember, whatever you did on your fresh desk now is similar here as well. Okay, so if you did not get that fresh desk knowledge properly well, you can get it here today or tonight. Just flow with me. Okay, it's very, very simple. It's not hard. This is your intercom what? Intercom interface. Okay, remember that the purpose of intercom is what now? Is for us to what? Be able to interchange with our customer and provide them with what? With support. Some of you are asking me, why are we doing all these tools? You are doing these tools because what now? Because you want to work as a what? As a freelancer. And as a freelancer, you might be hired to what now? To manage a business what? Customer service. Okay? That can be a what? A possible reason. Some people in the group are saying they cannot see my screen. Hey, yeah. Who is this? DSN. Can you see my screen now? Because I see your complaint in the group. So sorry about that. Okay. Now you can see that this is where we are now. This is our inbox. Now everything that you're seeing here will look like what? It will look like, it will look like mathematics. Don't worry. You're going to understand this small tonight. Just pay attention. Okay. So let me go back here. Now, wetin concern you here now? Now this inbox here, and then the other stuffs here. Okay. But consider we have contacts, right? You can see that we have reports. You can see that we have outbound. Okay, then when you come to these settings here, you can see that we still have other things here, like you can see that we have automations here, right? Even integration steps still dey here. Don't worry about them. You'll get them tonight. So first of all, now you have your what? Your inbox. Now you know that when we did our fresh desk, we also had what? Dashboard too. And on our dashboard now, we're able to what? We're able to see our what? Our pending tickets and unresolved tickets, right? And even when the tickets were coming in, we're still able to what? To see them on our dashboard. But then this is where the difference now comes in, because on Intercom, the interface is what now? It's a bit different from what? From fresh desk. However, they are related. It's just like They are the same kindred. Okay, they are the same what kindred. So they speak the same language. Okay, the purpose is what is the same. Get ticket and what resolve tickets. That is just the what the proper what purpose of this whole stuff here. Now, you cannot understand anything here until we do it what live. But before I go and do my widget integration, I'll do what now? Teach you some kind of stuff here so you can actually understand what they mean. Okay? You can see that we have our inbox here. This our inbox here means that what now? That any ticket that comes in now, we'll be seeing them on our what? On our inbox. Now, on this our inbox here, if any of the message actually mentioned us, you will see it under what? Mentions. Okay, then if you created any mail before, you'll be seeing your mail that you created. That's what they say was created by you. Then here now you can see all your what you can see all your messages that customer sent to, maybe all your complaints that customer sent for you to resolve. You'll be seeing them all here. Those that has not been assigned, you see them here under this what under this one unassigned. Then this one now can now be your what now. This one now is your what now. It's your dashboard where you can actually see how your team are performing for the day. Okay. Then this is our what? This is our Fin AI. Now remember that what now? That Fin AI is a what now? It's just a kind of what? Just an AI feature that Intercom works with, and they have this for what every of their customers. So they can actually install this on your what on your website. Then you can now start chatting with what with AI. It can see help you to what to do one or two, right? Now you can see that we have all conversation here from our customer will be shown in this all conversation tab here. Then we have our resolved, and then we have the routed and the abandoned ticket, or maybe abandoned what conversations. You see them all here. Okay. Now you can see that we still have our team inboxes. We have our teammates here, and then we also have what? Now you can see that we also have our messenger, our mail, our WhatsApp, and what? These are the channels here, so that in case maybe say your customer, if your customer actually give you a complaint through through Facebook Messenger, you've seen it under what? Messenger. If they give you their complaint through email, you'll be seeing it under what? Email. If they brought a complaint through WhatsApp or social media, you see it here. However, if it came through phone calls or SMS, it will be under what? Phone and SMS, right? Then, as you receive all these things, now you can now create your tickets with them. Just understand this part so you can now go and do the more advanced stuff. Okay? Now, I want to go and install my what now? I want to go and install my widget so you can see how the thing works. So, what will I do now? To install widget on your Intercom, you go to what? See where they have settings here? Click on settings. Okay? Now, we are now here now. Can you see where they say integration here? You can now go here now to click on what? Click on here. Let's see what will happen now. Can you see where they say App Store? You can go here. Let us see what will happen here. Let's just see what is going to happen. I know some of you are already wondering, like, what is it doing? You see where we have App Store here. This one actually gives you a list of what now? A list of other apps that you can actually bring into what? Into your Intercom. Maybe like you want to bring your Instagram in, or you want to bring in, you can actually bring in your what now? Your Jira. Even your Stripe can come in, right? Even calendar and the rest of them. There are so many here, right? Good. Now, can you see where we have channels here? I'm doing this because I want to install the widget. Can you see channels here? Remember that we have this channel, the same thing in our fresh desk, right? Now, click on the channels now, and you can see that we now have different channels. We have a messenger, we have email, we have phone, we have a WhatsApp, and so on and so forth. There are so many, right? So I can click on what now? Click on all channels here. So see what we can now install in our website. Okay, let's see. I'm not seeing what I'm supposed to see. I mean, don't change the screen again. Waiting this up. Well, we'll get them. So what I want to do next, I want to install a what now? A widget. Let's see this from here. Let's see this one. It's not that one. Coming, guys. It's not here. Let me see what is going on. Let's see the inbox and see. I think they have removed some kind of things here, but I don't know why what they removed. But then I will find it out just now. Just wait. I will just wait a little. I'm supposed to be able to get where I'm supposed to be able to like install their widget on my site. That's what I'm looking for. They have changed it again. They have changed everything all over. I don't know what's even wrong with them. So every time they change things every time. Change things overnight. So this channel I'm supposed to be able to see it here. Let's see Messenger and see if we can actually install it. Social channels, blah 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 blah. Okay, I think it's here. See the Messenger now, Abi. I want to install this Intercom Messenger on my website. You can actually see it was working, right? So you see where they have general here. Click here. Let's see. What about this one? Is it here? No. What about here? No. But you see this one where they say web. This is what we need. This one that we need, okay? So we need to install this one on our what now? On our website, okay? So we remain on the content tab here and do what now? You see where they say spaces here? Remain here, okay? You see where they say launch, blah, blah, blah. Just leave all these ones, okay? You see where they say install here? Go to install now, okay? You say install for web, install for mobile. This one is if you have mobile app. But we are working for what now? For websites, right? So we click on what? Install for web. Then, what kind of website are we going to use? Me, you know me now. I will use a what now? I will use a website here, which is what WordPress. But let me try and see if I can actually get for the word for the code. So I remain on the word the code here. Then it says, let us go here. Let us click here now to see something now. So you see where they say for website without visitors here. Click on this. Say for website visitors without login. Click this one now to what? To work with it. So now, how can we now install this now? We need to what? Get the code. So the code that I need is what now? Basic JavaScript. So I'll click on what? Basic JavaScript here. Then I need to come down here. This is the code here. I can copy this code now and then go and what? Install it on my website and see. Let me click on this to copy it. And then to my site to go and install. Go to my appearance, to my widget here. And do what now? You should know that we are here before. Click on this plus here, select HTML from the list, and then paste the code now. Then update it. Now let's see. So will I see the thing on my site? Let us check if it's working. I don't see ammo. Okay, don't come. See it? Can you see it at the bottom here now? It is here. This is our what? This is our live support is here. Okay. So let us go now and do what now? Do some kind of final touches so I can become better. This one is actually very, very straightforward. It does not require you to do so much things here. Can you see it now? It's quite what? Quite easy. It's not that difficult. So if you check here now, you can see what now that it's actually what? Installed. You see now? You say what? Messenger for website is now what? Fully installed. Oh God, who be this person? Who they make that noise? Who they made that noise? Somebody saying a pure maths. Hey, yeah, so sorry. It's not difficult, okay? Somebody said, I think you are, please, I think you are fast. God is Maggie. So sorry about that. Mine is saying 403 forbidden after following your steps. Mine is saying 403 forbidden after workspace suspended. Are you sure it's the same intercom? Because I'm still on my own, no. Sorry. Okay, this will not be my own. This one, I don't want to say day before. Let me go back. See my own now. I'm still using my own now. Why you want to show that kind of thing? Huh? So you can see that we are now, so I can now say, okay, that is what now? It is now done. I'll click on what now? Done. So our site is now what? Our site is now having what? Our site is now having a chatbot on it. You can now install your own on your what? On your Blogspot site. How do you do that one? Simply go to your blogspot.com. Okay. I think some of you did it yesterday, right? So we are here now. Let me click on, you see where they say view blog here? Click here now to see if your site can still display. I think it's showing, right? Well, I think my own is still showing from, you need to see that my own is still showing from yesterday. Now let me go and remove it now. Go to my what now? To my layout. And this is it here. I will click on this by row to edit it. Then I will now paste the new code. So this is my new code now. Let me save now. Then if I come and refresh now, I should see something different. The other one was red, Abby. This one now will be what? It will be plain. Can you see it now? It's different. Can you see it now? Thermal Technologies. Can you see it now? So this is our what now? This is now our what? Our intercom what? Widget. So if anybody come here now to give us a ticket now, we can be able to see that ticket under our what now? Under our what? Messengers. You'll be seeing it here. Okay? So having done this now, let us now go and what? Do other things. I want to just do other things here with you guys. Okay? So let me go and see where I can actually do agent and the rest of them. Okay? Where can I do my agent and the rest? Good. Can you see where they have teammates here? If you want to actually add your teammates, you can actually add them by what now? Go into your settings at the bottom here. You see settings here? Click here and then come to your what? To your teammates here and then add them up. Okay? So you can add your teammate here. Now, remember that your teammate now is simply your what now? These are simply people that are working with you in the world in the same company. For instance, if you are working with, let me say you are working with Dangote now. If you are a driver, you have to be added to the what? To the CRM because you're under what? The logistics department. If you're an engineer, you'll be what? Added as what now? As an engineer. If you're a customer support agent, you'll be added as what? Customer support agent. That's what we are doing here now. So they are going to what? Add your teammates here. How do you add them? It's simple. Come to your settings here. Okay. You see your teammates here. Click it now. Right? When you're done, what do you do next? They cannot say that it will not give us the role for what now? To add whatever we want to what? Add here. So this is where we are now. So can you see where they say new teammates here? It's here, but then I don't know why it's not coming up, but maybe we're not allowed to do it. Maybe because of, say we prevented your workspace from sending mails, including invites. Your workspace failed our workspace review process. Please contact customer support, blah blah blah. I think this is why they are stopping you guys from using the stuff. I think that is why. So, but me, I don't care. I want to do my thing and go away. I don't really want to. I don't even like Intercom before, but may not just suffer me. But then, in case you are here, right? Let me see if I can actually invite people using my what? Using the other way around, but it's not going to work. You see now, I cannot add anything here because you see I must what? Upgrade. Let me see. I must upgrade to what? To use that feature. That's why it's not coming up because they are stingy with their stuff. But it's no problem. In fact, they have even tried to what? Let us use it. But just know that what now? Once you want to add your members now, click on what? Click on this what? New teammate here. Add their name. Like we did it on our fresh desk yesterday. I mean on Saturday. The same thing applies. Once you click on this, your teammate here, click on what? Add new teammate, then add their email address, put their name and their position. Then you'll be okay. Alright? That is just how it was. It's not going to be working for me now because na free account I did. So it's not my fault. People should not be vexing for me, eh? Okay, oh, that one is that. What about office hours? Don't forget that we are still setting up. Oh, so we want to set up our what? Our office hours for work. Okay, our office hours can be what now? Is here. You see now they say default what? Office hours. Can you add them? Yes, you can add them from here. Click on what? Add hours. Okay. So they say weekdays. When do you open on weekdays? That's what this in here means. You see on weekdays we open by what now? We open by, let's just say 9:30. Or let me even say 8 o'clock in the morning. So we open by what? By 8:30. But all staff must be at work by what now? By 8 o'clock, right? Then we close by what now? We close by 4:30 p.m. All right? That is just it. Then what about reply times? You can say, okay, we'll reply as soon as possible, right? You can say, okay, say we'll reply in a few minutes or in a day or set a custom time or whatever. So let me just say that we will do what now? Reply in a few minutes. Okay? So this thing here means that what now? That when people go to your what now? When they go to your chat or to your widget on your site to chat with you, they will be seeing this message there that you reply within a what? Within a few minutes, right? That is just what we are doing here. Nothing much. What about your brands? Can we talk about our brand? Here now, you can do what now? Add your brand, or maybe you can even do what now? Customize your what? Your business. This simply means what? You want to put your business name, put your brand ID, put your brand logo, right? That's just what this thing here means. So that you don't come and allow or the grammar to come and confuse you. It's not difficult. Okay, so like if I have my logo, and I can do what now? Click on what? Upload logo, and then I can select it from here. Let me say this is my logo icon. I'll put it, and we are good. I can now click on what? Save. Okay. This is now what now? Our brand logo. What about security? Like who can log in and what can be done? Maybe when you are not there, authentication and the rest of them. That's why you set it up on the what? Under security here. Can you see data here? You can do all these ones now when you are what? When you are ready for that. What about the messenger? You can see that you can even turn it off. You see that it is currently showing off here. Good. Like that. So you can actually set it up for what now? For your Android, for your iOS and the rest of them. Even your normal ones. You see our web messenger is now here, right? You can even do what now? Set it up a little bit so that it can become what? More of what? Something nice. Good. You see it now? We have done this one already, so we don't need to we don't need to come back here again. Okay? So that's just what you do what now? You do when you want to do your stuff. So now I want to play now. You see that here now, if I go to my inbox here, I have only what, 4 mails here, right? I have only 4 messages here from my what now? From my intercom what profile. I only have this one and what, this one. This one came from phone. This one came from what now? From email. This one came from WhatsApp. This one came from what? From Messenger. Right? Look at what it says is what? It says what? This is just what it says. What about the one from WhatsApp? Look at what it says here. It says what? It says this. Just a demo message, right? It's not really a message, but then I want to delete it. Now let me delete. How do you delete? Hover over the message now. Do what? See where they put this our 3 dots here. Click it now. Okay. Then what do you do? Can you see where they put snooze here? You can snooze it or what? You can even remove it. Okay. Let me even check it and do what now? Do my stuff. Touch here. Close. Touch here. Do what now? Touch here again and do what? You see where they say close here? Close. Right? Because you don't need them. I don't want to see them there because these are things that came with the account. Just close all of them here. Okay. Close it here. Good. Now, I want to go to the site now and do what now? And drop a ticket so you can see it's working, right? So I will come here now and do what now? And do a chat. I'll say, okay, hello, my name is what? Is Jumoke. I am having issues with my what? Having issues with my what? With my bleaching cream. My bleaching cream, it is not making me what? Yellow. Okay? It is only causing me to what? To lose my what? My frontal hair. Right? That can be a what now? A message. Now let me send it now. I will click on what? Send. Now let us now go back to here now and then see what will happen here. Let us see. Let me refresh here now to see. Let me refresh here. Let us refresh here to see whether the message actually came in. So now I think our message actually came in here. Let us see. Can you see here now? It says what? It says, hello, my name is Jumoke. I'm having issue with my what now? With my bleaching cream. It is not making me yellow. It's only causing me to what now? To lose hair. Then look at what our chatbot now said. Our chatbot now said what? Like, look at it here now. He said what? He said, see now, he said what? Automatic actually replying what now? In a few minutes. Can you see it now? This is just how it is. Then give a team a way to reach you, because now this person now gave us a message now, but the person does, the person now did not give us their name. Of course, okay, fine, they give us their name, but then how can we not reply their message? We don't even know. So it now says that what now? That they should give us their what now? A possible way to what? To reach out to them. You see now they say what? Get notified by what? By email. So they cannot give us their what now? Their email. Let me put an email here. So I'll put this. Let me put I don't want to mention the email so that they will not come and remove my video for you guys. So now this is the email, and I cannot do what now? Press what? Send. Now watch now. You can see that I'm not the one replying this message, Abby. So, but the thing is just like doing its thing, on its own. It will see what's write another response here. It will still give us another response here. Now let me now go back and show you what it says here. See here now. Let me refresh again and show you guys. You see now, it's in fact it even has the mail already. Can you now see the mail here? Good. So this is just how this naturally works. This is just how it works. So the chatbot will be there to what now? To help us what? To make the work easier for our customer agents then. Okay. So this is just how it works. Okay. Let us go back to chat to our whatever here. So I'm still here now. So that is how it will work. So whatever you set up on the what now, on your team part now, it will be manifesting here. Right? That is just how it does. So you can see close this or whatever. Some of you that want to go and give a kind of ticket here, please go and check it with me. Some of you are thinking that I'm the only one that can do it. You can still do it on your own browser or on your own website. You can do it on your own, please. Somebody said, how did I embed the site or embed the code in the site? That means you are new to the class. I understand. I'll do it again. Okay. So go to this now and then see if you can actually drop your own. Somebody said I started again with my bleaching. Yes, now it's bleaching that is raining now. I don't know. Please, Otam, I hope this class is being recorded. Network is dealing with me. Happiness or John Daniel. Sorry about your network, okay? Somebody said, please retake how you embedded and sent to your website. My network was bad. Somebody said, Diokpara o, Biko were wayo. Michael Kanem, okay, I will repeat it. Don't worry, I will repeat it again, okay? I'll repeat it one more time so you can understand it better. Somebody said, my own is not working. It keeps showing workspace forbidden. I even tried incognito mode. Um, oh, Idara, Udofia, was your account created now, Abi, before now? Maybe like you did it yesterday, Abi, earlier today. Idara, respond to me. If you're only showing workspace forbidden, maybe you did something wrong to them. Maybe you don't go collect their wife or you don't go chop their food. That's why they are not dealing with you, right? Eh. Like I said, I'm still using my own. My own never go up. You did it. Okay, you say she did it now. No problem. Let me see. See, somebody said your own was created now. So thing is still giving them headache. No problem. We are going to sort it out now. Just wait. Just wait. Okay. How did you solve your? Did you use your Gmail to solve it? Abi, you go and use a business email. What did you use? Because if you go use business email, eh, 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 they will hold you. It's okay. You use Gmail. No problem. Let us see what you did wrong. I think my own self is even already. I think my own is even already. Okay. You see now, somebody actually gave me a ticket. Can you see now? Somebody gave us a ticket already. Somebody gave us a ticket already. Can you see now? This one said, I can't fix the television I bought in your company. You see now? And she even put her words, a means of reaching out to her. Can you see that now? Look at somebody again actually say something. Somebody said, say, please, how can I get a facial scrub? We don't do that one here now. We dey do back scrub and what? And lip scrub. We dey do facial scrub here, please. Then somebody also said, he says, hi Otanwa, I'm having issues with my beauty. I'm becoming more beauty by the day. Oh, that means you are eating too much carrot. Congratulations, eh? Then somebody here says what? He says, please tell me how to use this 3-day sharp bleaching cream. I know it's another one you go like. You go like that one now. Sharp bleaching cream. Well done, no, Michael Jackson. Well done, sir. Michael. Well done, eh? So you can see now that as you are sending your own now, it's coming up here, right? Now, where did your message drop? You can see your message is now under what? Start is here under what? Under messenger. Can you see it now? It's under messenger. That's why your message is what? Is falling into. It's right here. Right? This is where the message what will fall into. Now, this is our response now. I can still change it to what? To something else. That you see that our response. I can make it to be what? To be something else. Somebody said, good, my Temi BBL has gone wrong. Ah, they say they smell. Oh, I better go and remove it. Just go and remove it. They say the thing they smell bad, but go and just go and remove it. Okay? Good. So this issue that you're having now, okay, people actually have this issue before now. In fact, we want to connect our email so that what now that we can still connect our what our customers through our what our email, right? How can you connect our email? We did this one when we are doing our fresh desk, right? So I can do what now? Go to what? Connect to email here, and I can now select my what my Gmail account to what to work with, so that my Gmail will not be my what now? My business email on Intercom, right? So you see what it's saying here. I think that one is quite complex, unlike the one of these people. They will, they start speaking grammar. That's why I didn't worry about them before. So we start reading and say blah 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 blah. If you want to connect with customers over email, e.g., this one, say setting up email, connect your email address to the appropriate brand, blah blah blah. Okay, let me go to our brand now. So let us go to settings here. You see brand here? Good. And here we suppose to. So let me open this brand now. You can now see that we now have our brand ID. What about the email? Let's see. Default address. Let me click on this one. New address, right? So what is our address now? We have to specify that one here. Let me put Zulu at Gmail, whatever. Okay. Center name is what now? Dr. what? Dr. Tanwa. What do I do now? Let me click on create. Let's see if it will connect. Say address cannot be a free mail address. Can you see now? That's why they are what? They are suffering us. So if you want to put your business email now, it has to be a what now? What I showed you earlier, like this one that I have here. This one now will work. Let me try it now. Will it work? Yes, it will work. Let's put it now. Now watch now. You see something now go respond, Abby? It will respond because why? It is what? A business email. Let me now fix it up. So they say we should send the verification code. I cannot go log into that server now. I don't want to worry myself. Let me just leave it. Okay. So actually, this intercom here is not what? It's not really much of what? An issue. As far as you have actually learned that our waiting column, that our fresh desk, it should already be what? Something that you can actually handle on your own. It's not that so tough that you start giving headache over it. Okay. Now, what about our tickets? How do we solve our ticket now? So now somebody says this bot enlargement cream is not working. Can you see this one now? Is a what now? It's a complaint, Abi. So how can I now convert into a what? Into a ticket. Can I do it at all? Yes. But the person does not give me their what? Their email address. So I cannot do anything there. Right? But this one here now at the bottom here has what? A means of what? Connecting with them. So I can do what now? I can copy the email address here. I can copy it out and do what now? Are you seeing this symbol here? Are you seeing this symbol here? This one here is used to what now? To convert this customer complaint to what? Into a ticket. What will I do? Click on this small razor blade here now. Okay. You see now they say what? They say convert to tickets, right? So you see ticket here. You just convert it now. So you see now you say what? It says what now? You say convert to to whatever. So this is the customer's what? Contact details, Abi. Then television repair, Abi. Then what you do is what now? You can even do what? You can even say, okay, platform now. You can say maybe platform can be what now? Maybe let us say what is product, right? Then what do you do next now? Convert to tickets. This is now finished as what? As a ticket. It will now go to the what now? To whoever will now what? Will now do it. Now can you see where you say assignee here? Assign it to somebody here. Who do you want to assign this one to? You can collect somebody from your what? From your teammate. But we don't have anybody in our teammate now, so it should be only me, right? That is just how that one here works. So you can select what now? You can assign it to your to what now? To yourself, because you're the only one on the what? On the workspace. You're not allowed to add somebody here because you're using a trial account, right? Now you can see that this is just how we can actually do what now? Solve this ticket. You can see that we have a ticket ID. Can you see it now? And it's under what? Otanwa what? Brand. Okay. So this is just how Intercom is. Like I said before, Intercom is not really that complex like that. As far as you have learned, the only thing there is about now that some of the things we actually place differently. But when you come in now, in fact, you should be able to what now to understand it. It's not that difficult. Okay, you can do it actually easily. Okay. Now let me see now the person that owns the ticket now. This Ogochukwu Joseph. If he's still on his Intercom page now, or if he's still on my site now, if I reply now, you can be able to see my chat live there. So I will say, okay, hello, my customer. Hello, let me say hello, Mr. Joseph. Mr. Joseph. Joseph, how are you today? Let me send him now. Let's send it. Now he will now respond to us. Now watch him now. He'll be able to respond to, because he is live over there. Okay. Remember that they said that one of that the that will reply after some word now, after some minutes. So we are not replying now. So he can now what? Give me his own words. His next response. Can you not see that he's typing a message here? Okay. Whenever he starts, you see now, he said I'm fine. Can you see it now? He said I'm fine, right? So let me now ask again. I was okay. How many people are in your what? In your Google meeting? Google meeting. Okay, at the moment. Let me send now. So he can be able to what now to see my message now and possibly be able to what now to give me a response. This is just how it works. Now remember that he's doing it from my website though. Say we are about 100. Okay, so I'll say what that is cool. So what did he say? He said that what? He said that he cannot fix the television that he bought from my company. So I was okay. So may I have your what? Your ticket number for the television, or for the what? For the 40 television. For example, that you bought from us. That you bought from us. Okay, I will not do what? I will not send it now. Let me send it now. So you can see how they do it now. So that when you go to MTN website and then they start chatting you, this is how they do it. They pass like this. Okay, pass like this. Can you see now? He said what? He said my ticket number is what? 577 what? 54739. Can you see it now? So let me now say okay. Thank you very much. Okay, say very much. Can you also send us your what? Your mobile number. This is to what? Enable us forward to our what? Our repair team in your what? In your area. Now do what? Now let me send it now. So I now ask him for what now? For his mobile, so that I can do what now? I can be able to what? Send this to my what? To my whatever team. So this thing now, he responded with what? With his number. Can you see this now? So this is just how they what now? How they actually use what? Live chat for companies. Okay? This one now is what now? Is live chat. You chat with the person what? Live. But the person must be able to what? To wait for some what? For some minutes. Sometimes it can be just 1 minute. Sometimes it can be what? Maybe few minutes, right? This is just how it is. I don't know whether this is actually still difficult for anybody here, but I feel like it's not difficult. It's actually very, very straightforward. It's not difficult. Okay. So you cannot say that what now that this is our what now. So I cannot say okay. Uh uh all right. Say thank you for providing these details. Uh a customer what? A customer service what? Agent will visit you soon and make what? Possible what? Possible reparations. Alright, I'll do what now? I can now send, right? Say providing. Let me see, not spell again. Now look at this. Now you see what? You will still respond to me again. So this is just how the entire stuff works. Okay, you can see that it's really, really not difficult. Okay, it's not difficult, guys. It's not difficult. Okay, so just know that this is just how it plays out. There is nothing difficult about this whole thing here. Everything you see here is all what? Something you can actually look at it and do what and know about it. It's not that hard. So that you now know how they install it on your website. So let me take some questions here. We're able to install your own on your website. Let's question. Yes. Uh, okay. Okay, wait. Now, see, when you say you join a company, there are two things. Okay, some of you are hoping to work for a company, or maybe you say on a full-time basis. Maybe some of you are hoping to get a job on LinkedIn. Maybe you get and get a job. Maybe say, okay, let me work with the company in the US. Then I'll be the constant staff. Sometimes you might not what get that kind of opportunity. So what do you rely on? You rely on your what? On your Upwork what? Small gigs to what? To keep paying your bills. So they can tell you, okay, please, we want to come and set up our what? Now come and set up our what? Our fresh desk or intercom what? Profile for the business. So are you going to tell them that you are, I mean, like, you know, Sabia? That's the reason why we are doing it, because if your profile on Upwork shows that you are what? That you are an automation what? Expert, then you must do all this that we are doing here. That is just what it is. That's why we are teaching you also, you can be able to know how to do it from the what, from the beginning. You can get, maybe say the company will get their own account. They're going to get their account details, and then they are going to put what, their card. They only just what now say, okay, please give me your list of your staffs, their name and their email address, and their position. Then just go there and do what now, add it there, and collect your money and go and buy your Brazilian weave on. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, let me take from the other. Yes, Nelson Mandela. Good evening. How are you? Go on. No time. Okay, Ro. Which kind of system?